Hello folks, how are you doing today? I am Dr. Jack Williamson, and through this platform we will discuss the most essential thing in your life, your health. Today we are discussing about Bonair Inhaler. Through this discussion you will know what the use of the inhaler is, how to use it and how it treats. Let's not wait further and start right away. Bonair Inhaler is one of those inhalers that treats bronchospasm and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. There is a difference between both of them. Bronchospasm is a condition where the air pathways of the lungs get narrowed and weakened, and that causes breathing issues, whereas in COPD, air pathways get congested and weakened, so it is a progressive lung disease that constrains airflow and thus breathing and leads to asthma too. Let's see how Bonair Inhaler works. Bonair Inhaler has core element called salbutamol. Being a bronchodilator, it will calm down and open up the congested airways. It will also strengthen the weak air pathways of the lungs and will stop inflammation in the airways. With the working of core element, the Bonair Inhaler will help the user to breathe easily and smoothen the inhale and exhale process. It will reduce the chances of bronchospasm to develop into asthma. How to use Bonair Inhaler? Bonair Inhaler must be used with obeying your prescription. Your health provider and pharmacist will instruct you how to use it. At the same time, you will also get instruction manual in the form of a leaflet provided in the package of the inhaler. Prime the device by releasing 2 puffs of the inhaler into the air. Place the mouthpiece in your mouth between your teeth and ensure your lips are completely closed. Press the top of the inhaler and at the same time breathe in slowly and deeply through the mouthpiece. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. This will complete your puff. If more than 1 puff is suggested by the health provider, repeat the whole process. But make sure you keep at least 1 minute gap between 2 puffs. After inhalation, cleaning the inhaler is also extremely important. You can clean it with a dry tissue and close the device after use. After all puffs are taken, rinse your mouth with water and spit it out. There are some side effects that the Bonair Inhaler may bring, so you need to keep a close watch on your health. If you see anyone staying for long, contact your health provider and get treatment. The side effects are tremors, headache, palpitation, increased heart rate, muscle cramps, respiratory tract inflammation, respiratory tract infection, cough and others. Please note that this is not a complete list of the side effects. There could be more than these. You can ask your health provider for the complete list. Now let's understand the precautions. If you have other health conditions, you must discuss them with your health provider. If you are allergic to the core element of this inhaler or you are allergic to any other medicine, you must inform your health provider. Understand the use of the inhaler well before you start. Inform your complete health history well in advance. Do not change the dose, stop or start taking this inhaler without consulting with your health provider. Store the inhaler in a cool and dry place away from sunlight, moisture, children and animal. I think now you have the in-depth details regarding the Bonair Inhaler through its use, treatment, side effects and precautions that we just shared. Friends, the information shared here is for knowledge and it is not authorized medical advice. And remember, we are not promoting any medicine or treatment here. We are just sharing some information. So you must consult your doctor before using any medicine or starting any treatment. So that is it for now. I will see you in some other video on another topic. Until then, if you have liked this video, please appreciate our efforts by subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and comment. Let us know what you feel about the video. You can also suggest what topic we should make a video on. Do not forget to share it with your family and friends and let them know about the Bonair Inhaler. Be alert, be healthy.